Capitalwealthcounsel is an authorized financial service provider. For all your financial needs, please contact us at www.capitalwealthcounsel.co.za.
Good morning, my people. Welcome to Capital Wealth Counsel. Obviously, as if you are new to the channel, this is the financial planning and the insurance, call it a channel or YouTube podcast, whatever it may be, but the critical element is to always bring you info tips on how to manage your insurance portfolio. Make sure you stay in line with your insurance contract, and also help you identify certain risks that you might not be wary of or unaware of. As a professional in the industry, we always try to make sure we guide our clients, make sure you do not step out of the terms of your contract, and also provide sufficient protection for the assets that you've worked hard for over the years whilst you're building wealth and protecting it so you can pass it over to your next generations and next of kin. And I'm shooting this video on a Women's Day. Happy Women's Day to all the lovely ladies and our mothers, wives and sisters, daughters and cousins and neighbors. To all your female, you the most important pillar that holds our economies together and societies. And I'd just like to appreciate and thank you for being who you are and making sure that there is stability in this world. Today I thought let me more get into the short-term space, short-term insurance, meaning your car, household, building, but in particular we're going to focus on just car insurance versus warranty. I know warranty insurance is not a very common purchase because majority of us, when we buy a fully paid asset, a brand new car off the dealer, during your finance period, you'd find that the manufacturer or the dealer will offer you a warranty product that comes with that vehicle. So it's normally of least concern to majority of us. Therefore, I feel that the risk will only start when your vehicle is paid up. So it's always important to understand the difference, because there are certain areas of your insurance contract that your insurance underwriter is not going to provide cover for certain events. So whereas we may all be thinking, if I've got a comprehensive insurance policy in place, I'm 100% covered, bulletproof, and there is no risk to my side provided I pay premiums. It's not normally the case for everybody. I think there are a few incidences that we've dealt with in our office handling claims where clients were never indemnified because of certain risks that are not covered by your comprehensive insurance policy. And you might be sitting there thinking, as long as you pay insurance premium, your cover is always in place. So it's, like I said in the beginning, always very important, especially in particular, I think this video relates to those of us that have got fully paid assets. So you do not get caught off guard, right? And obviously, I've also been driving a paid up vehicle for many years, and the feeling of actually paying off that vehicle, receiving your notice document, and realizing the following month that you do not have to pay that vehicle installment is out of this world, right? We all want to be debt free, but with that there are new risks that you always need to plan for, because typically you would find that in the South African market, a brand new vehicle would come with maybe a 3-year or 5-year warranty, or a certain number of kilometers, maybe 100,000, 150,000, 200,000. So in most cases, I think 90% of the events is that when your vehicle is fully paid up, you would automatically probably be nearing the end of your warranty period. I mean, what is warranty? I mean, warranty, essentially manufacturer warranty or a dealer warranty would cover maybe your engine, if your engine was to seize, the transmission system of a vehicle, fuel and ignition, cooling systems, electrics, gearbox, brake systems, just to mention a few. So those are the major components. And I think just out of common knowledge, I think if I was a vehicle manufacturer, I would probably understand how long it would take a brand new vehicle's gearbox to start failing and causing problems. So the timing is always perfect for these guys, I think. Hence, they would give you a certain warranty of 3 years or 5 years, because they know after that period, those components are likely to start failing. And at that point, that's the time when your warranty would have actually ended. And the one important thing to also note or differentiate is that between car insurance and warranty is that your comprehensive car insurance will help you repair costs to your vehicle in the event of maybe you have a collision or an accident. If your vehicle is stolen, maybe it catches fire, or perhaps you have a minor breakdown and you need roadside assistance, and any unforeseen events. Yeah, and I use the word unforeseen deliberately because wear and tear of your gearbox or your vehicle braking system, transmission, and fuel and ignition are part of that warranty product. Hence, the insurance does not cover that on your comprehensive plan. So you find that the moment your warranty ends, you could have this comprehensive motor insurance in place that you're paying religiously on a monthly basis. But should your braking system or your gearbox fail, your insurance company is never going to cover that cost. You're on your own. And at that point, that is the point when we actually need to protect this paid up asset that I've paid over the last 60 months or 5 years. It's still in good condition. So therefore, you should then go back and to the drawing board and see what other risks would that old vehicle start to impose on your financial wealth and collection. Therefore, you'd find that in certain cases, you might need to start looking for a warranty product to cover those expensive vehicle components, whereas keeping your comprehensive insurance cover to cover collision and theft and the like. I once had an incident where a client took a vehicle to a mechanic or a service repair center that is not accredited to repair that particular vehicle, and the mechanic, I think he failed to put some wires back in place or fuel pipelines after servicing the vehicle, and whilst test driving the vehicle caught fire. And because the vehicle was in for repairs to the electric and wiring systems, these systems are not covered by insurance, or your comprehensive insurance policy. So you could easily lose this expensive asset by a single mistake. But had we had warranty cover in place, this vehicle would be actually repaired at an authorized dealer with all the costs and expenses covered by the warranty policy. So all is important. And talking about unauthorized repair centers, again, it's always important to note, because half of the time when our vehicle is out of motor plan, service plan, or maintenance plan, whatever you want to call it, we would find that everyone wants to save a few bucks by looking for the cheapest service provider to repair your vehicle. We've had seen cases in the market where an insurance company refused to pay a claim because the vehicle is not serviced by an authorized or approved RMI mechanic or repair center. Those small little mistakes to save a few hundred or thousands of rands could actually cost you to lose your entire asset. So always important to go back to the drawing board. That's why we always encourage our clients and anyone that's new to the show to always make sure that you consult with a reputable financial planner to help you review your financial planning and risks. Some of those risks you might not be aware of, and you only realize the risk or the exposure to such risks only when you actually suffering a claim when that unforeseen event has occurred. So always important. And just to recap or remind you, your car insurance will only cover unforeseen events, theft, collision, it could even be hail damage. These are unforeseen, beyond our control. But when the motor vehicle is out of warranty, those major components, we all know they are likely to fail. There's no vehicle that's going to last forever. Eventually, over time, as you drive this vehicle, there's wear and tear on these electric components that you always need to consider to have them insured separately by purchasing a warranty product. And there are so many products in the market. I mean, some products that come at a lower cost would offer limits on the indemnity. So for instance, if your gearbox, maybe you drive an Audi A4 and a brand new gearbox would cost 60,000. Some cheaper products again will offer you maybe a maximum limit of 30,000 for gearbox. Some warranty products will actually only list certain components that they'll cover and not every component. And there are other warranty products that would cover the whole total cost of repair. Obviously, these come at a cost. So again, depending on how you value your asset, if it's got sentimental value to you and you want to hold on to this asset that is turning into a classic over time, it's always recommended that you look for the best deal and understand what is being covered through that warranty product when you do purchase it. And if effectively, this type of risk again, I think is very, very important to add in your portfolio over time. But I mean, if you want that always changes your vehicle the moment it's out of warranty or paid up and you move into a new car, then obviously your normal comprehensive motor insurance will always suffice in that regard. And also to one other note to be cognizant of is that if the vehicle in most cases is more than 10 years old, you'd find that the day you decide to now buy a warranty, the warranty underwriters will not be interested in that business, because they know a vehicle 10 years and older is most likely to have already started causing such problems, depending on how you've taken care of this asset through maintenance and the like. So there is a time frame or a window where you need to always apply for a warranty product, immediately moving on from an expired warranty onto a separate warranty that's underwritten by a different insurance underwriter. So always important to keep an eye, and effectively as well, when should you suffer a claim whilst your vehicle is under warranty, there are certain requirements and terms and conditions that come with your warranty product. For instance, if you have a brand new vehicle and your windscreen is shattered and you need to have it replaced, always make sure that if the vehicle is under warranty, you need to get what is called an agency windscreen replacement or parts. So there are windscreens or glasses, as an example, that are replica to the original. And you'd find that your warranty provider, if you use a replica whilst the vehicle is under warranty, that replica would, or off market they call it, would actually void the warranty on your vehicle because it does not have the technology that comes with the original glass. So always important. Sometimes your insurance will just go and replace your window with a replica. So it's always important to check and make sure that you're getting an agency glass from the original manufacturer being replaced and fitted by a qualified, personnel that deals in that field to make sure that you do not void your vehicle warranty. So many tick boxes, so many T's and C's to tick, and we do not expect everyone to be an expert in these things. I mean, you could be a scientist, and best is to then maybe pass these technical aspects of managing your insurance policy to qualified personnel like ourselves. And if you need more information or guidance, or maybe you just want to review your short-term insurance product just to make sure that you've got the correct cover and the benefits, you're sticking within the terms of your insurance contract, I would suggest you leave a comment down below and we'll be in touch with you, or visit our website www.capitalwealthcounsel.co.za, or just leave a comment down below and we'll pass it to the relevant specialist who would maybe schedule a call to help you review and make sure that you're protecting those lovely assets that you've acquired over the years, and you are not losing but making headway in your wealth creation journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.